Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying compatibility. This saves time and prevents signal issues. First, confirm your display and player both support Dolby Vision and that your HDMI cable is high speed. Once done, select a source that carries Dolby Vision metadata, a streaming app, or UHD disc. Make sure the output color depth and BT, 2020 color space are enabled on the player. This passes the dynamic metadata through. Finally, power cycle devices, after connecting to ensure edit and handshake register correct. Now you configure both ends so the metadata isn't altered. On the source device, enable Dolby Vision or HDR pass-through and set output to automatic. This delivers scene-by-scene metadata. On your TV, choose the Dolby Vision picture mode or a neutral calibrated profile to prevent extra processing. Once settings match, launch the Dolby Vision stream or file and watch for the Dolby Vision logo. If applicable, disable any forced tone mapping, dynamic contrast, or film smoothing that would change the mastering intent. Finish by confirming playback uses Dolby Vision. Look for the logo and a noticeably improved highlight and color range. If you don't see it, swap the HDMI port to one labeled 2, 0/2, 1, or toggle HDR output on the source. Sometimes the handshake fails until you reboot. Make sure apps are updated and the content is Dolby Vision encoded. Troubleshooting tip: if colors still look off after swaps, reset the TV picture mode to default. This clears aggressive processing while keeping your network and account settings intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.